Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving beneath the surface of the everyday to reveal the bizarre truths that shape our world. The universe is far stranger than it appears, where logic twists and reality defies our expectations. We'll explore 7 scientific facts that sound like fiction, but are astonishingly real. Get ready to have your assumptions challenged. Let's begin our journey into the mind-bending side of science. Let's start with the banana, a fruit we all know. Botanically, it's a true berry thanks to its structure and internal seeds. But the strawberry? Despite its name, it isn't a berry at all. Its seeds are on the outside, making it an aggregate accessory fruit. Even the avocado with its single pit is classified as a berry. Nature's categories are far stranger than our grocery labels suggest. The world of fruit is full of surprises. Now let's visit Venus, where time itself gets weird. A day on Venus, one full rotation, lasts 243 Earth days. But its year, the time to orbit the Sun, is only 225 Earth days. So, a day on Venus is longer than its year. On its surface, the Sun would rise and set just once per year. Time, it turns out, is a local phenomenon. Meet the octopus, one of Earth's true aliens. It has 3 hearts, 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 to the body. Its blood is blue thanks to copper-based hemocyanin. When it swims, its main heart stops, so it prefers to crawl. This unique biology helps it thrive in the deep sea. The octopus is a marvel of evolutionary innovation. Ever notice the fresh smell after rain? That scent is called petrichor, created when rain hits dry soil. Plant oils and geosmin, a compound from soil bacteria, are released into the air. Humans are incredibly sensitive to geosmin, detecting it at parts per trillion. This ability may have helped our ancestors find water. The smell of rain is nature's subtle signal. The human brain is the ultimate storage device. It can hold about 2.5 petabytes of information, millions of gigabytes. That's enough for 3 million hours of TV. Yet we still don't fully understand how memories are stored and retrieved. The brain remains one of science's greatest mysteries. There's a universe of complexity inside your head. Clouds look light, but they're surprisingly heavy. A typical cumulus cloud holds about 500,000 kilograms of water. That's like 100 elephants floating overhead. The weight is spread among tiny droplets kept aloft by air currents. They float not because they're weightless, but because the air supports them. The sky is full of hidden heft. The Eiffel Tower isn't as static as it seems. In summer, heat makes the iron expand and the tower grows up to 15 centimeters. Uneven heating even causes it to lean slightly away from the sun. This daily dance is a reminder that even monuments move. The tower breathes with the seasons. Even steel giants respond to the sun. We've seen that reality is stranger than it seems. From bananas to Venus, octopuses to clouds, the world is full of surprises. Science invites us to look closer and question what we think we know. The ordinary hides the extraordinary. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more mind-bending truths. Comment below. Which fact surprised you most? Until next time, keep questioning.